Alright, hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Diego Tech Life, and we have here another repair video. This repair video is for, let's see, UN55 HU6950 right here, and this TV was made in 2014. So this is the first 4K that Samsung came out with, and here I have the TV. Took it back out here. So this TV, basically I got it at a pawn shop for about $50, and it doesn't want to turn on. Or at least we think it doesn't want to turn on. So let me show you a couple things here.
Welcome to Techie Life.
Here we have that power light on. Whenever this is normally on, it means that the TV is on standby. So when we press the power button here, you will see a blink. So it's there, it keeps blinking. We had some backlights. And then we have also a blue light there. Let me flick the lights off here. So, as you can see, we have backlights coming in, and it's actually working right now, which is pretty cool. But we got a lot of hot spots here. For instance, right here where my finger is a hot spots. Basically, a hot spot is when the lens falls off the LED. So this lens right here falls off the LED, and it's just the LED showing directly. So the weird thing about it is this TV wasn't even turning on at first. It was actually completely pitch black. So I did the flashlight test, and I was able to see that Samsung Smart logo come on whenever I turn it on. And then I also heard volume in there. So there's actual volume in there. I just took out the speakers though. And another thing that we can look at is this port here is lit up. So if it's lit up and this light isn't red, then we know that the TV is actually on. So I'm actually going to be taking it apart. I'm going to show you, I'm going to take out the frame here, and we're going to remove the LCD and see what's happening, why we're having those hot spots. So let's check it out. So as you can see, I have a lot of these lenses that have came out here, and we're gonna just be replacing these with new LED strips. And I have the LED strips already in hand. I don't know I can go to and check which ones are bad LEDs, but we're just gonna go ahead and replace them with new ones. So I got these for about 40 bucks, and on eBay. Like I said, we're just gonna replace it because it's so much easier. You know. But if we really wanted to, we can test like one of these right here. Off of these test these right here. I can already tell that first one's already a bad LED. So this first one here on the right, where my finger's at, that's probably a bad LED. So that's why I'm replacing all of these, even though it was working earlier. We're gonna make sure we're not taking that chance. So I'll show you when I'm done with this. We get everything set up here. Let's go ahead and push this back a bit here. We're gonna go ahead and give it a whirl. The power source. Make sure that everything works. Plug in our power. TV already is flashing. We got some info there. HDMI 2, there it is. And we have no more hotspots, so it's nice and even now. So if y'all have problems with y'all's TV, backlights don't work, this is probably the fix. It wasn't that easy, to be honest with you. You had to take out as y'all saw me taking this little portion here, I had to slide it back. It pops up, and then you take out some of the screws here on the bottom after taking the shield off, the T-con. So basically you're kind of tearing the whole TV apart, but it is a simple repair. It just takes a lot of patience to get it. The hard part too would be to put these little PCB back. That's going to be a little challenge, but be careful with it. Just be patient and you'll get it. If you have any questions, let me know. Please hit me up on Facebook, Techie Life 0. I'll post it up on the comments. Please subscribe, guys. Thanks a lot for watching. Till next time. Laters.